Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily. I am a licensed makeup artist based out of Texas, and today I'm going to be doing a very colorful multi-cut crease look. I'm going to be doing a voiceover for a majority of the video, so let's just get into it. I'm starting off with brows today using this CUT-CREASE brow soap and just brushing them up and securing them in place. I'm not going to be filling them in today, so once they look how they should, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in Light Ivory to conceal and define the top and bottom of the brow and just make it shapely and perfect. Using a fluffy brush, I'm now going to blend that out and all over my lid in order to create a nice base for the eyeshadow. Once it's all blended in, always make sure to set your base with a light eyeshadow before going in with any color so that there's easier blendability. Today I believe I'm using the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette and the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise. I'm going to be creating a multicolor cut crease, so I'm using just a small detail brush to begin to work this purple into my crease. Once I think that is diffused enough on the top, I'm going to go in with my new shade, which is this light blue, and continue to add that transition. Once that is all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and do the final kind of winged eyeshadow moment and do a deep blue. Going back with a flat brush, I am making sure that all of those colors are diffused and blended out before I clean it up. To get the sharpest cut crease, I like to use makeup remover, or I'm using micellar water on a Q-tip and then just go against it and wipe all that product off, because that is going to be the absolute most perfect cut crease you could ever get. Now, just like before, conceal and set the lid. To further define this cut crease, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights in pink, and I'm just drawing a thin line across the bottom of that swoop. Onto the next layer of the cut creases, I'm starting with this light pink shimmery shade, and then I'm going to move into a nice orangey shade once this is all blended out. Now finishing off the second layer with a deep purple, I am doing that same shape and defining and diffusing. Now that it's all done, I'm going to do the same cleanup process, same conceal and set process, and move on to the third layer of cut creases. My boyfriend came in the room and wouldn't stop talking to me, so I didn't film doing the last layer, but it was just the exact same process with this same colors as the top, but I flipped them. So I did the dark in the inner corner, and then I put a sparkly blue on the middle to create like a halo eye effect, and then I'm going back in with that same pink eyeliner to define the second layer of the cut crease. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Miss A $1 eyeliner in black and go against my lash line in order to blend in my eyelashes. For mascara today, I am using this Maybelline Lash Sensational and just coating them lightly before I pop on my lash. I wanted to quickly blend out the underneath part of my eye just to add some color under there, so I went in with kind of a combination of that pinky orange just to add some vibrancy. Cleaning up that edge with the same micellar water and Q-tip method. And then using Duo Lash Glue and I believe a pair of Shein or Wish or Amazon, some super cheap pair of lashes, and just popping them on and pinching them into place. I'm going in with that same e.l.f. concealer in order to conceal my T-zone and any areas where I have acne scars or redness, basically using it like a foundation, but putting it pretty much everywhere and then blending it all in with the nice fluffy brush, and then I'm going to be setting it with my Airspun translucent powder. For contour slash bronzer today, I am using this e.l.f. in Forever Sunkissed and just defining all the shadowy areas of my face. For blush today, I'm using this very broken NARS Orgasm X and just dashing it across my cheeks and my nose. Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray in order to lock everything in place, make it look not super powdery, and prepare my skin for highlighter. Today I'm using the Nicole Guerrero by Anastasia, mostly using the light pink shade in there and just applying it all over the highlighted areas. I like to blend out any highlighter with more of my blush just to make sure that it is a seamless transition. And then I'm going in with this NYX white liner pencil in my lower waterline in order to brighten my eyes and to make them appear even more vibrant. Mascara on the lower lashes. For lips today, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics in Commando. This is a Miss A gloss. I'm just going to pop that over the liquid lip. If you want your lip to look absolutely perfect, you can always go back in with that same concealer and brush to define the bottom of it. I'm going to be adding these little stars with the same duo lash glue around my eye. I think I just got them off of something cheap, like the same places I probably got the lashes, so probably Shein or Amazon or something, but using a nail tool, I am just going to pop those on the spots where I just put the glue, and then that will pretty much complete the look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new about makeup today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. See you in the next one.